Hello everyone, my name is Jeka Ilea Ayana C. De Leon from G7 Australia. And today we're going to talk about farm tools. And the tool that I'm going to discuss to you is a kind of bolo, the haras. Haras is a scythe used for cutting tall grass. It is called lampas by people from Mindanao. It is characterized by a curved wide blade that narrows towards the hilt with pointed or blunt tips. It has a wide range of use, from hunting to scything grass, opening coconuts, harvesting crops, or clearing dense bush. 4 ways of maintaining our haras. 1. Keep the blade sharp. 2. Keep the blade oiled. 3. Remove the rust. And 4. Keep the hilt dry. Proper ways of storing our haras. Store them on a dry storage and keep it away from children's reach.